Hi everyone, welcome back. Several years ago I was speaking to a friend and he was about to go on holiday, his annual holiday. I said to him, "Where are you going?" He said, "We don't know." I said, "Well, how are you going?" He said, "We don't know that either." He said, "In the past we've always planned. Everything was organized, but this time," he said, "we're just going to be free. We're going to take each day as it comes." I thought, well, that's going to be interesting. So when he came back from his holiday and I saw him again, I said, "How did it go?" He just said, "Peter, it was terrible. We did nothing. We went nowhere. It was a complete waste of time." I was reminded about the book of Proverbs, what it says in chapter 21, "The plans of the diligent lead to profit, as surely as haste leads to poverty." And there's something there that we all need to see. Planning is important. It shouldn't dictate our lives. It shouldn't become a bondage and a hindrance to us. But planning each day, planning the week, planning the month, planning a holiday, planning whatever project you want to get involved in, if it's done properly with the right attitude, it will lead to profit and blessing and enjoyment. That's the way it should be. Psalm 90 verse 12 says, "Teach us to number our days that we may gain a heart of wisdom." In other words, when I spend the time just to plan, I've got a project, for example, and I want to embark on this project, and I spend the time just to plan and to organize how much money it's going to cost, how much time, who am I going to need, etc., etc., I will get the best result and it'll be done in the best possible way. And through that process, the scripture says, I gain a heart of wisdom because I've learned something. If we don't plan, we're going to be in trouble. I once heard somebody say, if you don't have a goal, you can never score. And that is true. Simple planning enables us to realize what mistakes we have made, what we should have done, so that next time we can be wiser and more careful. Isaiah 60 verse 22 says, "When the time is right, the Lord will make it happen." Why? Because God plans. Oh yes, every detail, every day, every year, every century is in the heart and the mind of God. So I want to say, if God plans and if God has a plan, we need to have the same. We need to make the same effort, to have the same determination, not to be bound and structured by it, but planning will give you a sense of purpose, sense of direction, and a sense of accomplishment. That's what we need. God help us.